Miss Shaunae Miller, I commend you, salute you for your win, the gold medal race, the 400 meter, women's 400 meter. I'm sure Allyson Felix wish she had done what you did. People can talk about that you thieved the race or you cheated or something like that. But let me tell you something. You went for the gold and you went like a boss. Trust me. So congratulations. Anybody else who wants to say that she cheat or whatever, it no matter. The rules of the race are the torso goes over the line, and that's exactly what happened. Whether she intentionally dived for the finish line or not, it was a race to the finish. She fell and reached out at the same time. She used all 6'1" of herself and went over that line. I salute you. Big up Bahamas. Too bad Allyson Felix. I'm sure Allyson Felix, I think about if she could go back in that time, should have did the same thing. Trust me. Trust me. I don't know, vexed and upset. You don't know what Allyson Felix I think in her heart and I think in her head once she did walk away from the race. Trust me, she did think, say, you know what, maybe I should have done the same thing. It's not uncommon. These things happen. They jump for the finish line, especially when you're neck and neck. Trust me. Trust me. Miller did what she had to do. Shaunae Miller, salute you. Big up Bahamas. Then wait for the 200 meter. The grass of Canada. Boom. Bolt. Lightning bolt. Bam! Make it strike. Make it strike. Trice. Yeah.